You're sitting at your desk, surrounded by so many tasks, your inbox is overflowing, your social media is going crazy, and your clients are demanding your attention. As an online business owner, you know the struggle of juggling multiple responsibilities while trying to stay on top of it all. It's a constant battle against the clock. In today's fast paced world, effective time management is crucial for online business owners. This video will provide you with practical strategies to help you optimize your time, increase productivity, and achieve your business goals. We'll cover the following key strategies. And by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and the knowledge to take control of your time and achieve greater success in your online business. Number one, prioritize tasks. Focus on the most important task. Avoid wasting time on low priority activities that don't contribute significantly to your goal. Prevent overwhelm by prioritizing tasks that help you break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. This will help prevent feeling overwhelmed. Avoid procrastination. When you know what tasks are the most important, it's easier to stay focused. So some techniques that you can use, the Eisenhower matrix, and that's categorizing tasks based on urgency and importance. So focus on urgent and important tasks first. You can do the ABCD method where you assign a letter to each task, and that will just prioritize the task with a higher letter. Time blocking also is helpful. You can allocate specific time blocks to different tasks or activities. So, for an example, you're an online business owner and you have a to-do list, which may include creating a new blog, responding to emails, scheduling your social media posts, or attending a virtual meeting. When you use the Eisenhower matrix, you can prioritize your blog posts as urgent, where you're scheduling your social media posts might not be as urgent. This will help you to just eliminate distractions and focus on what's actually important. Two, you're going to want to eliminate distractions, and social media can be one. Getting notifications from Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all of the things can be a major distraction. Your email, if you're consistently checking and responding to emails, that can disrupt your workflow. Notifications for like app alerts and other things can just steal your focus and distract you. So eliminate as much of that stuff as you can so you can stay focused. Here are some strategies to help you eliminate your distractions. So creating a dedicated workspace, finding somewhere quiet that's clutter-free where you can focus on your work. If you need to use website blockers that just block distractions from websites, and also you can schedule distraction-free time where you just specifically designate that time to focus on what you need to do. So I used to find it difficult to concentrate on my work due to just the notifications, wanting to respond to everything. And once I eliminated that distraction and I just focused in where I'm like, okay, this is what I'm going to do during this time and just get it done, a lot more things began to fall into place for me. So you may be wondering, what is time blocking? And time blocking just involves scheduling specific time blocks for different tasks or activities. And this is going to help you visualize your day and allocate your time effectively. So this is how we can implement time blocking. One, identify your tasks. Make a list of all the things you need to accomplish. You need to estimate a time. So determine how long each task will take to complete. Next, you're going to create a schedule where you allocate those specific time blocks for each to ensure a balance between your work and your rest. Next, you want to be flexible. Lastly, be flexible. While time blocking is helpful, Just be prepared to adjust your schedule as needed. So here's an example of a time block schedule for an online entrepreneur. So from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., it might be email and social media time. And then from 10:30 a.m. to noon, you're creating your content. Then from 1, you take a lunch break. From 2 to 3, you may speak with clients. And then at the end of the day, you may do administrative tasks. And you can use this schedule to stay organized and stay focused and be productive. Batching your tasks can also be a great strategy. So, with task batching, you're basically involving similar tasks together so you can complete them in one setting. And this is going to help reduce the context switching and improve your efficiency. So, content creation, like writing your blog posts or creating your social media graphics or filming, can save time and maintain consistency if you just do it all at the same time. Email marketing, scheduling specific times that you write and send emails rather than responding to emails throughout the day. With social media, you can batch your content, schedule your posts in advance, and just do that all at one time. You want to reduce context switching. When you switch between different tasks, it can be mentally draining. So when you batch tasks that help you minimize context switching, it helps you to remain focused. Batching tasks can also help you better estimate the time required for each activity and avoid time wasting distractions. Number 5, delegate and outsource. So consider delegating and outsourcing tasks that are not core to your business, such as administrative tasks, customer support, or social media management. Time consuming tasks, if certain tasks are more consuming or require specialized skills, then consider outsourcing an expert for them. And then, 2, finding the right people. You can use different platforms to find qualified people that you can delegate the task to. So some of the benefits of delegation would be obviously freeing up your time. Delegating or outsourcing tasks allow you to focus on higher level activities that drive your business forward. You can access expertise. So hiring a freelancer or like a virtual assistant can provide you with specialized skills and knowledge that you may not possess. Cost effectiveness, in some cases, delegating the task can be more cost effective than hiring someone on full time. And I encourage you to implement these strategies, into your business to help you manage your time better and create a daily routine that serves you the best. Everyone's approach is going to be slightly different and you have to do what's best for you. But ultimately, time management, batching your content, and eliminating distractions are going to be what helps you to manage your time effectively and move your business forward.